How to turn on or turn off, announce incoming calls, read caller name aloud on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, you tap on settings. Now in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. After that, we go down and tap on announce calls. From here, you can choose always or never. So to turn on, we select always, or you can select headphones in cars or headphone only, or you can choose never to turn it off. And that's it. So select one of the options, and after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.